perfect hashtags and how to actually write hashtags. Number one, when you want to check what all hashtags you can use, hashtags have become really important even for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever you are posting, that at least you post a few hashtags with your, you keep a few hashtags with your post. Let's say, for example, we need to find some hashtags for boutique. Number one rule on Instagram, you can add maximum of 30 hashtags on a single post. Let's see, at least, so it's advisable that at least you use 10 to 15 hashtags. Say, for example, we want to see some hashtags around boutique. Write boutique, go into tags. When you click, you can see that boutique has 26.3 million posts. This particular hashtag is used on 26.3 million posts. Click on that. Now, if you see these top posts, go to these top posts. Let's say we go to this and see what all hashtags are used. If you can't find any, see another post and see if there are some hashtags. Go to this. Let's say we try here. See, you can see some hashtags here: boss babe, trendy, fashion. So from here you can get good idea that at least you have to use boutique. Apart from that, you can also see more hashtags here. Also, while writing hashtags, how you have to write the hashtags, I'll just quickly tell you into notes. Number one, when you write a hashtag, make sure that you put hash and then write a hashtag. Say, for example, I want to write boutique. You can also start with first letter capital, which would give a clean look to your hashtags, whichever you use. Also, after writing one hashtag, give space and then put another hash and then write another hashtag. Let's say Instagood, space, hash, another hashtag. Let's say, for example, you had put some fabric, which is let's say you want to write fabric hashtag. You want to put a hashtag of a city. Let's say we are putting it Udaipur. So that's how you actually write hashtags. So you can use a minimum of 10 to 15 hashtags and maximum of 30 hashtags on Instagram. Alternatively, you can also put hashtags 2 to 3 or 5 hashtags on Facebook, Twitter, or in LinkedIn, wherever you are putting up your post. Make sure that your hashtag looks clean. Even if you write Udaipur, that would also work. That even if your first letter is not capital, that will also work. It will be detected. But make sure there is space between after every other hashtag which you're using. Make sure it doesn't get so clumsy like that you don't even put spaces. It should not be like this. It should be with the space. After boutique, there has to be a space. After Instagram, there has to be space, and then you have to put hash and then write hashtags. That's how you can start writing good hashtags, and that's how you can properly search hashtags